Welcome to the Performance Banner Stand installation tutorial. Here is everything you will need to install a banner in your banner stand. The base, the top bar, a banner trimmed to size, and additional tape. First, you will need to remove the end caps from your top bar and unclamp it. Insert your banner into the top bar. Make sure that it's positioned in the top bar fully. Now, clamp down on your top bar, securing the banner into place. Start from the center and work your way out. This ensures that the graphic is applied smoothly and that the top bar does not warp or bend. Now, place the end caps back onto the top bar. Re-roll your banner so that the back is facing out. Remove the paper backing found attached to the adhesive on the leader. Adhere the graphic. Smooth out the graphic and apply additional tape to both the banner and the leader. Flip the banner stand back over and apply additional tape to both the back of the leader and the back of the banner. Pull the leader completely from the base, reinforcing with your hands. Pull the locking pin found on the right side of the banner stand. Reposition your hands and gently guide the banner back into the banner stand. You are able to store your locking pin in the locking pin holder found on the bottom of the base.